So hello everyone, so welcome again to this YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about a very frequent asked question in the interview, that is why we write WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver. What is the reason behind that? Why don't we write it as WebDriver driver is equal to new WebDriver, or Chrome driver driver is equal to new Chrome driver? So this is what I'm going to explain you in this video. So let's get started. So first thing, I'm going to tell you that what exactly that WebDriver, Chrome driver are, right? So WebDriver is an interface and Chrome driver is a class. So if you can see here the hierarchy, that if you see here Chrome driver, so this Chrome driver class extend remote WebDriver, then this remote WebDriver class implement the WebDriver interface, and this WebDriver interface extend another interface, search context interface. Okay, so this is the hierarchy: Chrome driver, then remote WebDriver, then WebDriver, and search context. If you see, these two are interface, and remote WebDriver and Chrome driver, these both are classes. So let me show you this on Eclipse. So right now, as you can see that I have written this traditional way, WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver. So as you seen that I have shown you the hierarchy, so I'm going to show you right now on Eclipse, because it will make you more clear. So if you click on WebDriver, and it will show that this is an interface, and it extends another interface, search context, okay, which contains various methods like we use find elements and find element. So these both are the methods of search context interface, which is implemented by WebDriver interface, extended by WebDriver interface. Okay, these both are interface. So let me click on this Chrome driver. So if you can see here, this Chrome driver is a class, and if you can see, this is class and it is extending another class, remote WebDriver. Let me open this as well, and if you can see, this is also a class, and this class is implementing WebDriver, and then WebDriver again search context. So now I think you got the idea that parent is search context, then WebDriver, then remote WebDriver, then we have Chrome driver class. So this is the hierarchy. So let me show you why we write it as other way. So as we got aware about the hierarchy of the classes, so why don't we write it as WebDriver driver is equal to new WebDriver, or Chrome driver driver is equal to new Chrome driver? So let me tell you one thing, that WebDriver driver is equal to new WebDriver, that you are trying to create an object of interface which is not feasible. So this option is invalid. So other one, I'm going to show you why we should not write it in this way. So let me show you this on Eclipse. So I have already written, this is the traditional way that we use Chrome driver to initialize Chrome driver, and this is other way that why we should not use this. Okay, so let's see one by one. If I write driver dot, and if you can see all the methods you get in this, it is like you can see here that it is not that much. But if you see in the Chrome driver one, okay, let me just remove this. Now Chrome driver one, you can see more number of methods. If you can see the scroll bar, it is much smaller. It means it has more methods. But if in other case, if I go over there, driver, you can see this scroll bar is much bigger. It means it has less number of options. So, but Chrome driver is equal to new Chrome driver. This has a lot new methods and many methods. Then why we are not using it? My question is, why we are not using it? Why we are using other way? So let me explain you a bit more why we are not using it. There is a reason. So the reason is, let me remove this. If you can see here, I have created object of Chrome driver class. So I cannot assign the value to any other browser, because I have created the object of Chrome driver class. Suppose in a later phase, you want to do testing on multi browsers. You want to assign this value to any other browser like Firefox or IE browser. You cannot assign value to that browser, because you created specifically object of Chrome driver class, right? But in the other case, if you can see here, you have taken the reference variable of WebDriver, right? So you can, because each browser's class is extending the WebDriver interface, as I have shown you in the hierarchy that each browser's class is extending implementing the WebDriver interface. So you can assign that reference variable to any browser. You can initialize any desired browser you want to initialize in the later phase of script. Suppose let me show you this driver. I quit it here. Okay, then driver is equal to, you can write new Firefox driver. So you can assign this in the later phase of script, but in the case of Chrome driver you cannot do this because you specifically created it for Chrome driver, right? So it would be difficult, it would not be possible. So that's why we write it as in this way. So that's all from this video. If you like this video, please do share. Thank you very much.